People took out torch rally to safeguard the territorial integrity of Manipur. Police fired rounds of tear gas shell to disperse the protesters. The incident took place last night when large number of torch-bearing protesters marched towards the governor's residence. Security forces resorted to firing tear gas shells to hold protesters from proceeding further to Raj Bhavan. The protesters chanted slogans to take action against Kuki militants and to safeguard Manipur. They also demanded the resignation of DGP and security advisor and to stop combing operations in valley areas.